about Justin Bieber?
Yeah, I heard he egged the house.
Yeah, that cracks me up.
Good morning, class. Please take out your notebooks. Come to order.
I'm assuming you guys got a note too.
Yeah, I did. That was unexpected.
Mine had something a bit unusual.
A linear inequality?
Yeah, did all of us get one?
I did.
I didn't.
I'm still unclear on how to solve it though.
Spencer, do you know if Mr. Fitz is available after school?
Why don't we go check?
Hey kids, what's up?
We need help with these math expressions. Can you help explain, please?
Sure, no problem. So we will be going over how to solve linear inequalities. Not already, change the equation to slope-intercept form. When you do this, you have to isolate the y variable by multiplying or dividing each side of the equation. When you do this, you'll also have to switch the sign. For example, less than would change to greater than or equal to would change to less than or equal to. Next, you have to plot the y-intercept and the slope. Check to see what is being used in the equation. If the sign is less than or greater than, the line has to be dashed. If the sign is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, the line has to be solid. And then after that, use the origin as a testing point. If the equation is true, shade the side of the line that the origin is in. If the equation is not true, shade the other side of the line or away from the origin. If the origin is part of the line, use another testing point. And that's it. Now you guys know how to solve linear inequalities.
Thank you, Mrs. Fitz. Now we can solve these on our own.
You're welcome. Bye.
I was like, hey, what's up, hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Mom? Oh, okay. I'll be there. Bye.
I love you too.
Guys, solve these tonight and we'll meet up tomorrow. I gotta go.
Okay, see
Okay,
you.
Bye.
see you later.
Hey guys, come in.
So what letter did you guys get? I got I.
M.
B.
A.
IMBA. What's that?
I don't know, but it doesn't make sense.
Guys. Guys,
Yes?
look what I found.
Another one?
Yeah. So the equation is negative 4y minus 3x is less than or equal to 1/2. To isolate the y, I add 3x to both sides. That gives me negative 4y is less than or equal to 3x plus 1/2. Then I divide by negative 4 from both sides and switch the sign. So it's going to be y is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 x minus 2. Now to graph the equation. Y is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 x minus 2. First, you plot the y-intercept, which is 0, negative 2. Then, you use the slope. Negative 3 over 4. Down 3, and to the right 4. Since it's greater than or equal to, you make the line solid. Now the shading. Use a testing point. 0, 0. You substitute 0, 0 into the equation. Negative 3/4 times 0 is 0. Subtract that by 2 is negative 2. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Since it's true, I shade on the side of 0, 0.
So far we have IMBAC.
Hold on. I'll be back. I found another note.
To start off, you have to isolate the y by subtracting 2 from both sides. Next, you have to divide both sides by 2 to completely isolate the y. Your final equation is y is less than 1/2 x minus 1. Now you will have to graph the equation. You start off with the y-intercept, which is negative 1, and you use the slope to graph the rest. Since it is not a less than or equal to sign, it is just a less than sign, it will have to be a dashed line. Because it is a less than sign, you will have to shade underneath.
That was hard. I'm hungry. Can I have something to eat?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, Mr. Find the dish.
another one?
The equation is 4x is greater than or equal to 4. This is not in slope-intercept form, so I'll change it to slope-intercept form by dividing each side by 4. When I do this, the result I get is x is greater than or equal to 1. To graph this inequality, you draw a vertical, straight, and solid line on one on the x-axis. I made the line solid because the sign is greater than or equal to, so you would do the same if the sign was less than or equal to. Next, use the origin 0, 0 as a testing point. Replace the x with a 0 in the inequality, and I get the result 0 is greater than or equal to 1. This equation is false because 0 is not greater than or equal to 1, so I would straight away from the origin.
It says, I'm back. A.
Got a secret, can you keep it? Swear this one you'll solve. Better write it in your notebook, taking this one to the quiz. If I teach you, then I know you won't forget what I said. 'Cause two can solve a problem if one of them knows how.
When are you gonna say it?